Okay, suppose you tell it to me right now.
Okay, well, your darling Lily was screwing me over the entire time, secretly planning to stab me in the back to get me out of the company so she could run it on her own.
Is that so?
She didn't get to that part of the story, did she? And as far as Chance, well, he tried to walk unless I made him an equal partner, and yet he's been in for 5 minutes.
Really?
So while you and everyone else assumed that my every move was going to send Abbott Chancellor up in flames, I was here, making sound business decisions that I honestly thought you would be proud of. Maybe I was going to agree with. But I was mistaken for the amount of faith that you actually have.
Great! We'll free you buddies and we can...
I'm so sorry, babe. I can't seem to stop bursting into tears.
Go ahead. Cry all you want. You have nothing to be sorry for.
Is it your phone? Inside. No, it's not mine.